Deflect Parry Punch, a movement that happens near the end of the 24 form of the Yang style of Tai Chi. So today we're going to be looking at that in detail and going through each of the three pieces, looking at it from the left side and from the right side. Hi, I'm Jack Godfrey, and this is Beginner Tai Chi. I teach 3 videos a week, on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday is Intermediate Qigong. On Wednesday, Beginner Qigong. And on Friday, Beginner Tai Chi. I also offer a live class on Zoom on Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. Atlantic Time. If you're interested in attending that, send an email to jack.godfrey49@gmail.com and I'll add you to the distribution list. So in today's class, we're going to be looking at Deflect Parry Punch from both sides, breaking it down into its individual movements, what's going on with the arms, and what's going on with the legs. And let's move on to that. In the Yang style 24 form, Deflect Parry Punch appears near the end, and it's done on one side only. It's the right hand does the deflect and the parry and the punch. Let's have a look at it. So we started here with needle to sea bottom. So we're here, this foot comes forward, the hands are up here, we reach down, we grab the needle from the sea bottom, we're up here, and we do fan through back is next. So this hand comes up, palm turns away, and we are here. And now we turn. So we're facing the opposite way. And this hand, the high hand, comes down and then comes up the center line. You make a fist and we go here. So this is deflect. This hand that's still back by the back leg, it's the parry. So all the weights on this front leg here, we step up, we dot, we parry. Then the hand that did the deflect comes down and we punch. Like so. So that's deflect, parry, punch. Let's look at it from the other side. So we're here. Needle to sea bottom. We draw the needle up, the hand comes high, this other hand's around about the elbow, the palm turns away, and we push. So this is fan through back. And we turn. The foot turns. This hand makes a fist, the high hand makes a fist, comes down the outside line of the body, then up the center and deflects. So it's this arm that's doing the blocking, and we have a light fist here. The other leg, the left leg, and the left arm still back. All the weights on the front foot. Step up, dot with the left foot. Parry with the left arm. Bring the right hand down, the wrist and the palm come together. We C-step forward and we punch, like so. And then we come back and we push up and away. Now let's look at it straight on. So we just finished fan through back and the turn, and now we're facing straight ahead. This hand, you make a fist with the right hand, the one that's forward. So the weight's in this leg. You make a fist. Key component here is this is circle with fist. So you come down the outside of the body. We come up the center line of the body and we deflect. So we push out to the side with a strong arm here. Now the other hand comes forward in a parry as we shift the weight into that front foot. bring the toes forward, so we're dotting here. And this hand parries and comes under the elbow. And now the upper arm, the fist, comes down to the palm. We C-step forward and we punch like so. And then we shift the weight back, we push up, and we would continue on to the rest of the series. So let's look at it again, going straight ahead. Right foot is forward, left foot is off to the side. So this is our C-stepping task walking stance. Knee over the ankle, this foot straight ahead, this foot off to the side, heel pressing into the earth. So this leg is straight, this one's bent, and we start here with the hands up in the air like so. So the forward hand makes a fist, comes down towards the knee, makes a circle, comes towards the center line of the body, up and deflect. Now the other hand, the one that's up in the air, it comes down, so it's making a circle as well. And when it gets about hip height, it starts coming forward, and it drags the back foot with it. So the weight is on the front leg. We lift the heel of the back foot. We start the parry movement, and we dot. And the hand comes forward towards the elbow and stops here. Next step, the fist comes down and the palm receives the fist. We step forward with the dotted foot in C-stepping, task walking, and we shift the weight and we punch. Now let's look at it from the other side. So we start here with the left foot forward. So we're in our task walking stance. We have some boards here. And the hands are like so, about shoulder height. The forward hand, so this leg, the knee is bent, head, knee, ankle, head, knee, and ankle, pretty much in a pile. Make a fist with the forward arm. Come down the outside of the body, come up the inside, and we block with the forearm. So we're using this to push to the side. So that's the deflect. And now the parry. This backhand makes a circle, comes down by the hip, and brings that back foot forward to a dot, and then parry sweeps across the body to the elbow. The fist, that hand comes down to the palm. We C-step forward and we punch. And we come on back. That's deflect, parry, punch. So let's look at it from the side. We're here. We bring this foot forward. We have the hands up like so. The forward hand comes down, and we're making a circle here, and we deflect. The back hand comes down, and it makes a circle in this direction, except it stops here. So we're here, and we go back. We bring that back foot forward, we dot, and this hand comes across the body towards the elbow. Bring the hand down, and we C-step forward, and we punch. And now we take the next step. Bring the hands up. So the leg that's forward, that's the arm that's forward. The leg that's back, that arm is back. Make a fist with the forward arm. Come down the outside of the body towards the knee. Come across to the center line. Come up the center line of the body and move to the side. So this is the deflect. shift the weight into the front foot, lift the heel of the back foot. The back hand comes down to about hip height. Bring the back foot forward as you bring the hand across the body. This is parry. The hand stops roughly under the fist, under the elbow. Turn it palm up. The hand comes down. Both of them come in towards the hip. We step forward and we punch. And now, bring the hands up. We might have room for one more step here. The weight's in the back foot at the moment. Shift the weight into the front foot. The front foot makes a circle down the outside of the body, up the center, deflect. The back hand comes down to the hip, brings the back foot forward into a dot, and then proceeds across the body to the elbow. This is parry. Top hand comes down to the fist. We step forward with a C-step, shift the weight into that front foot, and we punch. And I've run out of space. Here's the tree. So now we're going to go back the way we came. So we just finished punch this way, except we're going facing the other way. So here we are here. Now bring the hands up. Get tangled with the tree here. So the hand that's forward, the leg that's forward has most of the weight. Make a fist. Bring the hand down, outside of the body, come across, come in. So we're making a circle here with this fist, like so. And so we were here, we come down, we come up the center line, we deflect. The body is still facing straight ahead. Lift the heel of the back foot. The back hand makes a circle, brings that back foot forward, and then we parry. We come across here to block as well, but we're down by the elbow now. Bring the hand that did the parry, turn it palm up, bring the other hand down to the palm. Now, C-step forward, C-step forward, land with the heel, shift the weight into the front foot. At the same time, punch. Now we'll do the other foot. So we come back here. The leg that's forward, that hand is here. The leg that's back, the hand is up here. So we were here, and we move to here. This hand deflects. Weight on the front foot. Down the outside of the body, make a circle, and deflect. Lift the back heel. Bring the back hand down by the back leg. Bring the back leg forward. Parry as we come across the body. Bring the wrist down to the palm. C-step forward and punch. And now, the hand that's forward is here. The other hand is back here. Make a fist with the hand that's forward with the bent leg. Come down the outside line of the body, come to the center, and come up the center line about shoulder height, deflect. The back hand brings the back leg forward, we dot. We parry, we come across. The hand comes down into the palm. We C-step and we punch at the same time. The leg that's forward, that arm is here. The leg that's back, that arm is here. Deflect. We come down the outside line of the body and we block to the side. The back hand, we lift the heel of the back foot. We step forward. We parry. We sweep across the front of the body, under the wrist. The fist comes to the palm. We come back to the body. We C-step forward, shift the weight, and at the same time, we punch. And here I am at the wall again. So let's do it one more time, facing straight ahead. Deflect, parry, punch. We'll start here with this foot forward. Leg that's forward, that arm is here. Leg that's back, it's back by the head, back by the ear, roughly. So the forward hand, we make that circle. So we're going to make this movement with the front hand. The back hand is making this movement. So we're here, and we're going to come like so. So it's making a circle this way. This hand making a circle this way. So let's see how it all looks. Weight in the front foot. The front hand is up high. Comes down the outside of the body, so outside of this leg. We come down, we come to the center line, we come up, and as we get about chin high, we come across to block. So this is the deflect. The back hand, we take the weight off the back heel. We step forward to dot. At the same time, that back hand's making that circle across the body towards the elbow. Parry. Now, the hand that did the parry, turn it palm up. The other hand, turn the back of the hand down, bring it into the palm, draw it into the body. C-step forward and punch. Now let's look at it with the other leg forward. So the leg that's forward, that arm is up here. Leg that's back, the other arm's up by the head, roughly. Now, the hand that's forward, make a fist. Come down about hip level, outside of the body. Move to the center line of the body. We come up and we deflect. Shift the weight onto the front foot even more so we can lift the back heel. The back hand comes across the body. We dot, we parry. The palm turns up. The fist comes down into the palm, draw it into the body. C-step forward, and we punch. If we're going to continue, the front hand, that's the palm that's down. So bring it up here. The back hand is now this one. So we bring it back here so it's by the ear. And so we're here like this. This is the result of fan through back followed by a full turn. So here we are. The front hand makes a fist. The front hand is the leg that's forward. Come down the outside of the body, come across, come up, deflect. So this is the arm. It has the force, so we're using the arm to push to the side. The back hand comes out to the side. We lift the back heel. We step forward and dot. We sweep across. So this is parry. The fist comes into the palm, draws into the hip. We C-step forward and we punch. Deflect, parry, punch. Today's lesson. And that's it for today. So thank you all for coming.